Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Well, I'm here in a different angle this time. I'm inside the truck where the AC is nice and cool. Just chillaxing in here because it's probably 100-something degrees outside, and my phone just hit the shutting down mode because it's so hot. So I'm in here cooling it off and I'm shooting the video. With that said, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the truck. Guys, check this out. This is a 2006 GMC Sierra 1500 lifted truck, rough country lift kit, rough country shocks, Polk audio speakers, mini like speaker setup in the back behind the seat, single cab, short bed. Awesome truck. It's cool. It's got a little bit of miles on it, 241,000 miles. It's got an Edge monitor and tune on it. It has pink LED lights, as you can see, and you can turn them off right here just by this little switch right there. LED glow right there. You can turn on and off, change the color, whatnot. A girl used to own this. It was a trade-in. Really nice family, awesome people. She took really good care of it. Long story short, being straight transparent with you guys and honest, I had to replace the transmission in it. Started acting up in reverse, and I actually had to put a new transmission in it, or a reman transmission. So here we are. Let's check the truck out. Runs and drives great now, obviously. So here we go. Hopefully my phone doesn't shut off, but 2006 GMC Sierra 1500, lifted rough country suspension kit on it, and it's gonna be undercoated here shortly. I'm getting a few things left finishing up on it. It's running on a set of Toyo Open Country RT tires. Guys, these are a 35, 1250, 18-inch tire on a Moto Metal. I think this is the 970. Don't count me on it. It's probably the 9 something. Whatever. It's the Moto Metal, and these are an 18x9, I want to say, wheel. Chrome finish, and you can change the centerpieces out. A little bit of oxidation inside the wheels. It's got a Flowmaster exhaust system. The truck's overall pretty nice, good conditions. A few dents and scratches on top of the bed rails, or bed rails right here on top of that bird crap and everything too. A little bit of stain. It looks like somebody had a battery maybe drip down here. A little bit of scratches here and there. The rest of the truck's fine. It's got a little bit of rust starting in the cab corners right here. Door jambs are pretty much clean. Rocker panels are clean besides that little spot right there. VIN number's right there. Pump the hood, you say. Board work. AC blows ice cold, as you can see out inside there, chilling out. Aftermarket headlights in here. Aftermarket tail lights. We got the roof visor right there with the rough country setup. Vortec engine. Coolant's all nice and clean. Everything's good out to par. New plug wires, it looks like. We got a few other goodies in here. Interstate battery. And yeah, I'm gonna probably cut this video kind of short because it is hot as hell out here. And my phone's overheating. I can see the little orange yellow triangle starting up. Bed's pretty good. Got a bed liner in here. Inside there's clean. These are the aftermarket LED taillights. And yeah, hope you guys like the truck. I'm sorry to cut this video short, but my God, the phone's overheating. It's not gonna last much longer. I'll do a video if I can calm it down. Calm down, phone. Stay cool, stay cool. Guys, I hope you guys are doing great. This is Mark signing out. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're still here, thanks for subscribing and thanks for still watching. Signing out because it's hot and his phone's about to shut off. Take care, guys.